Hello everybody and welcome to Bosh TV. So today's recipe is, well, it's an interesting one. I don't think that there's many vegan channels who have done a Cullen Skink. A Cullen Skink is a Scottish soup that usually has smoked haddock, potatoes, cream and butter. It's very, very un-vegan. But when I used to eat it, well, I've only eaten it a few times, but when I have eaten it in the past before going vegan, I thoroughly enjoyed it and thought it was high time that we veganized it. So Cullen Skink, it's a funny old thing, but it's delicious. And if you like creamy soups and you appreciate a little bit of smoky flavor and used to really like seafood, this is a recipe for you. So first up, you're gonna need some banana blossom, which is a really lovely vegan ingredient. Then get some oat milk, which is super creamy, some peppercorns, and a bay leaf. Now what we're trying to do here is infuse that oat milk with those subtle flavors. And a good way to do this is also use this, a little bunch of parsley. All that flavor that's in those stalks will infuse into the milk and give the whole dish like a really nice herby undercurrent. Very, very nice indeed that. Let that simmer off for about 5 minutes, and as that's simmering, this is what you need to do. You need to get some vegan butter, quite a lot of it, 75 grams, melt it down, and then get an onion. We get a bit of smoked salt, which will give the whole dish a really nice smoky note from the ground all the way up. You're gonna let that simmer off for about 5 minutes until it starts to caramelize, and then we've got some Maris Piper potatoes that we've cut down to about 2 centimeter cubes and some vegetable stock. Now, white wine is obviously something you associate with fish, as is vegan fish sauce, as is caper brine, and all of those things together will permeate into the hard potatoes and cook really nicely. This is the banana blossom infused milk that we had, and this is a little bit of vegan cream, which obviously for a Cullen Skink you need because it is essentially a creamy soup. It's important that when you put the oat cream in to not put it in on a really high heat because it will start to separate. That's your banana blossom that you took out of the infused milk earlier, and just look at it, it's got that sort of fishy flakiness, and also the color of it's changed because of the heat. It's quite delicate, so you add it in later on. Black pepper is truly essential, and this stuff, liquid smoke, is like fire in a bottle. It's wonderful. It adds so much smokiness, and that's exactly what you need for a Cullen Skink. So once your soup is simmered and thickened, it's gonna look just like that. Nice and creamy, nice and buttery. It's got that banana blossom in there. It's got those potatoes in there. As you can see there, it's quite quite a robust soup. You're gonna get a lot of bite out of it. It's gonna be very, very satisfying. And the creaminess is just incredible. It's got so many various layers of flavor. Perfect for an autumnal evening. Now parsley is obviously something that's fantastic with fishy flavors, so that's why we've garnished it there. And there you have it. I mean, this is Cullen Skink. This is a weird one, but goodness me, it's delicious. So there you have it, Cullen Skink, veganized. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness me.
So this is a Scottish soup?
Yes.
I've never heard of it. Cullen and Skink.
Cullen Skink.
Surprisingly fishy. Wow. It feels fishy.
Yeah. If you don't know what banana blossom is, it's like one of these really fantastic ingredients that just like mimic fish beautifully.
So it's creamy. It just feels like a nice relaxed fish soup.
Yeah.
Perfect for like a winter evening, and a very surprising dish. This is not your standard vegan fare.
No.
Definitely give this a try.
If you've ever tasted Cullen Skink and you think it can't be veganized, talk about that in the comments below. We want to see what you think.
Any other soups you think we should be cooking, put that down below, and we'll see you next time, guys.
Take care, guys. Peace.
Bye.